How to delete a Facebook page. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Click on this drop down and switch to the page that you want to delete. Once you have switched, now navigate to the menu page again. Scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Settings. Now over here you're going to find different section. Scroll down. Under your information, you're going to find the option Access and Control. Click on that. Select the option Delete Page. Then click on Continue. Now here you'll need to provide a reason why do you want to delete your page. Select any of it and click on Continue. Before you delete, you can say Post in your archive or download information. Then click on Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you type in that, click on Continue. Click on Delete Page. When you delete this Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. And just with that, you have deleted the selected page. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.